Yamaha Sniper 155 is known to experience overheating issues, and one effective way to fix this is by doing a proper coolant flush. Today, I'll show you how I do a total coolant flush on a Yamaha Sniper 155. First, I start the engine and let it run for about 5 minutes to circulate the coolant. After that, I turn off the engine and let it cool down a bit. Once it's safe, I open the radiator cap. You can drain the coolant by opening the drain plug located under the engine. Let all the old coolant drain out completely. After draining the radiator, make sure to also drain the coolant reservoir. Next, flush the radiator with distilled water. Next, I close the drain plug and fill the radiator with distilled water. I start the engine again and let it run for 5 minutes. Then let it cool down and drain the water. I repeat this flushing process 2 to 3 times until the water coming out is clear. After flushing, I close the drain plug properly and fill the radiator with new, recommended coolant. I also fill the reservoir up to the allowed level. Then I start the engine and let it run for 5 minutes. While it's running, I gently press the radiator hose to help remove any trapped air. The most important step is properly bleeding the coolant system. On the other side of the engine, near the water pump, there's an 8mm bleed bolt. I slowly loosen it and let the air escape. Once coolant flows smoothly and no more air comes out, I tighten the bolt. After bleeding, I recheck the coolant level, top up if needed, close the radiator cap, and check for leaks. This proper flushing and bleeding process helps reduce overheating and keeps the Yamaha Sniper 155 running at the correct temperature.